Alright, so ang ating movie ay entitled How to Make Millions Before Grandma Die. Sa sobrang haba ng title, baka namali ako. Pero nakalagay naman dun sa screen nyo kanina. So, alam nyo na kung anong movie yun. So, this film, or rather this review, is sobrang maikli lang. Kasi all I can say is, it's a 10/10 na film. It's a must recommend film. Though, it's the last leg na ata sa mga sinihan. But even last leg, madami pa rin nanood. So, the transition is good. Lots of symbolisms. Yung characters, yung acting nila. Nung una, medyo naasiwa ako dun sa isang character. Pero, bandang dulo, okay, nag-gets ko. Talagang sinadya nila na gano'n yung character niya. Tapos, mai-immerse ka eh. Halos lahat ng nasa sinihan umiyak. Spoiler alert, sorry. Pero, yeah, halos lahat na-immerse. And take note, it's a Thai film. So, madalas mabilis kang ma-immerse kapag English na film kasi nasanay tayo sa English. Or Koreano kasi, well, K-pop. Or, yung mga madalas mo na-encounter na mga film. Pero, when it's a foreign film, mapa-English man yan, Korean, or basta na Thai, mga talagang hindi Pinoy na film. Tapos na-immerse ka na ganun. Napaluha ka. Para bang andun ka. Nakarelate ka. It's amazingly put. Siyempre, hindi sila perfect, pero it goes to the point still. Ang ganda ng pagkakahulma. Gusto kong pumalakpak sa dulo ng film, and hindi ko alam ba't hindi na binuksan yung ilaw nung tapos na yung film. Siguro dahil last full show, ganun. I don't know. This is my second time na last full show sa isang sinehan. Hindi ko na maalala kung hindi sila nabukas ang ilaw nung una kong last full show. Bottom line, it's a good film. It's a must recommend. And yeah, it's for me, it's a 10/10. I won't talk more because I won't spoil. I don't want to spoil it. And ayoko na magkwento all the more kasi nakarelate ako dun sa film. That's all I can say. If you want to know bakit, comment down below para magkwento ko. I can use it as a vlog. But other than that, all I can say is, I think most of us nakarelate. Lalo sa kultura natin sa Pilipinas na, well, hindi lahat. Meron mga ibang, they don't do it that way, but that's all I can say. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, magdadaldal ako eh. Para mapaikli. Okay na yung 10/10. Must watch How to Make Millions Before Grandma Die. And it's just, I don't know if this is a spoiler. It goes full circle. That's, I don't know if you can call my loose ends, pero parang wala naman loose ends. But yeah, it's a fantastic film. In love. And as always, believe by God in all things. Lalo na in a relationship here in the world. And yes, it's temporary. Wala nang meron sa langit. Wala nang kami doon. Si Lord na yung pinakasentro. But yeah, that's all I can say. And as always, gonna go kay God, and well,